ओके, आज आप करके भेजते हैं, ठीक है। सो नाउ आई फील दैट जस्ट फिनिश पोस्ट आफ्टर क्लास। ओके, ओके नवीन जी। Okay, so everybody is doing. Okay, now I can understand that. So when you are looking at that file, you have all the conjunctions there. Okay, so I hope you all have written your name. So first of all, I want to see that, and now I'm going to write a few words here, and you have to write it in your chat box. Okay. So just be ready to type the letter, the word which I am going to make. Okay. What is this?
राम राम है
Ramaha. Very good.
और मैं क्या करेगा अच्छा मतलब
Please mute yourself. Anindita ji. Okay. Now, okay. So yesterday, I told you that how we are going. Some of the letters changes there. Tomorrow I will send the homework, madam. Okay, Jayashri ji. So first of all, we have learned that the ta and the changes the shape, and the tha. Okay, so this is our tha, and if it comes with the ra and tha, okay, like partha. So it becomes like this. It changes the shape, something like this. One of the participants sent their homework, and I have seen that she or he made it right. Okay, so in Sharda, the tha is like this, right? And when we joined it with ra and tha, then it becomes like this. Suppose we are making partha. So this is pa, this is the matra of a, and then just a second. The tha. So what we are going to do, like it becomes like this. This. If we find this type of shape, then it is ra and tha sanyog. It can be ra or tha, and it can be ta and tha. Okay. Clear? So somebody is saying something. Dr. Simarjit, I request you to please look at someone. Somebody is saying something or shouting something. Okay. So if you see this type of shape, this one looks like the dirgha u. Okay, this is our dirgha u, but this is a little different. Okay, but it's very similar to this shape. Okay, like this one. If we found this shape, then what it is? This is raw, and it can be this will be like this one, or it can be like this. So if we find this shape, it have only two letters it can have. So we understand the word and then we can get, okay, what is this? But this is not dirgha u. Here the shape is changing. Okay, with tha, and yesterday we learnt about ta, tha and dha. So these letters are changing their shapes. Okay. This part, right? Yes, this is part. So here we have to understand this is ra and tha. Okay. Now I will show you some images tomorrow, so you can understand. Now you have to tell me the letters and I will write here. Okay, just type something in the chat box. After that, before that, I am writing here something. Oh, who is making noise? Please don't do that. Yudhishthir. Okay. So this is our year. Is it the if we go to the page where you mentioned the matras, so in you it will be like this. Okay, you, then this is our dha, right? Ikar matra yudhi, shthir, ikar matra, then this is our sha. Shir, upper line will come or not here? Just tell me. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Huh. Now we are going to add the tha in with sha. So the tha shape like this, but it will be not like this. Okay. Here the shape changes and it will be like this. Okay. Then this is Yudhishthir. Okay. Here the shape is changing of ta, which we learned yesterday. This is Yudhishthir. Then Ganesha. Oh, okay. So this is our Ga. There is upper line. Then this is Na. There is no upper line. Ekar matra. Okay, it is so far. Now this is this and this. So what is this? This is Ganesha. Okay. It's not like Devanagari, okay, we are making line this. No, it's not like that. If there is no upper line, then it will not be here. Okay. Any other word you want to understand? Arya. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Yudhishthir, Ganesha. You have to write all these words in your notebook too. Okay. So, Arya. Okay. So this is we are making like this. Okay. And if we have to make we just extend this one. Okay. There is no stroke with a. Remember this. This is vowel. This is not the vyanjan. That's why this is a. Okay. And the rear. In if we are making ra plus ya, there is a different shape comes here. Okay. It became like this. If you find this shape, then this is rear. Okay. Here is, this is rear. Okay. It is also a special letter. If you find something like Devanagari, this means this is the combination of Ra and Ya. Please notice. Okay. This is your rear. It totally looks like the. Then Manasthiti. Okay. Manahasthiti. This is our Ma. This one is totally round and filled with the ink, and there is no upper line. Then Manaha Sthiti. Then there the tha is coming with sa. Okay. Then again the shape of sa, the tha. We will look at with sa how it becomes. We have to understand. You can see in your that file also. So here we make sa little. Okay. The half of this side, and again if we are joining the tha, then it changes its shape. Okay. Then it become like this and this. Okay. So this is our tha. Then ikara matra manaha. Oh, there will be no upper line. Okay. And sthiti. So the tha changes the its shape when it's joining with some letters. Sometimes it changes and sometimes it doesn't. Okay. Manasthiti, then Swartha. Okay. So this is our Sa. Then we are joining Va. We are filling it and there is no upper line. Then this stroke indicates the matra A. And again, yeah, that I told you, we will make the shape like this. Then it is Swartha. Okay. This is Swartha. It can be like this also, similar round, but mostly we can find it like this one also shape. You can find this too. But here we are making very clear so we can't be confused. Because from tomorrow you are going to decipher. Praveen. Okay. So this is per, and here we make the ra. There is no upper line. Ikar, matra, and Runa. So this is Praveena. Lakshmi. Okay. Hmm. This is our la. And yesterday I told you the ka and sha. The ka changes its shape and the sha like this. Okay. Then here we are going to join the ma. And this is Lakshmi. Now you can see the shape. Okay, we have only small space, so we will make like ma like this. Okay. So this is Lakshmi.
उनका
कोई कुछ बोल रहा है? यष्टि मधु विष्णु अर्थ. Okay, so earth is very clear, as I told you. This is a and this is Artha, Vishnu. So here we connect the Arna like this and the mantra will be like this, Vishnu. Okay? Here you are making this stroke. See, look here again carefully. This is Sha. Then we start from here and we join the Na and this will be the mantra. So it comes like this. Just if we are joining Na with some letter, then the shape comes like this. Okay, and this is Vishnu. This is Vishnu. And then Yashti Madhu. Okay. So now you can understand how we are joining the letters with each other. Okay. So Yashti Madhu, first of all, the ya, there is upper line, then there is no line on sha. So ikar matra, then sha, as we are joining ta like this, Yashti, there is no line, the ma, then dha, and this ukar matra, Yashti Madhu. Okay. Any other word? Siddhyati. Okay. See, this is sa, ikara matra, the tha, and then we are making the, then tha, and this year. Okay, look at here. And this is the siddhyati. This is like this. Now you have to understand here what is happening here in this one. The siddhyati. Okay, this is siddhyati. So there are three letters. Okay, half the, then your half the, and full year. Now we have to understand. So what we do, you are looking at your screen. So just hide it with your hand. Okay, the two letters. If you are finding the two letters, then you have to hide it with your hand or finger. Okay, so you can see the very clearly. And then
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can find the then look at the lower one. So you know this is the dha and the ya. Now just hide the upper two letters and you can find it very easily. This is ya. Okay, so there are three letters. I made it like a very big one. Now I'm making it the smaller one. So you can understand how we find it in the manuscripts. Okay, so this is the dha ya. But we have to make it the shorter one. So it comes like this. Okay. We will
Okay,
find
ma'am.
it like this.
Ma'am,
Huh?
how it become year?
You skipped yesterday's class?
Ma'am, the last portion was got skipped because my network issue has arrived.
Okay. Okay. So what is the thing when we are joining the year with any letter? Okay. This is year. Like we have to write the kya. Okay. We are asking something. Okay, what is this then? Kya. So whenever we are joining the year with some letter, so it comes letter. Okay, the year is the last. So the year, it comes with the, look at here. Ka is full or half? The letter Ka is full or half?
Half. Half.
Half, right? This is half. And ya is with matra, there is swar. Okay. So in Sharda, what we are doing, we are writing from upper to lower side. And in Devanagari, we go left to right side. So what we will do, here we have only one box. Okay, there is the letter Ka. Then we will join ya. Whenever we join ya, it comes like this. Okay, this is half year. This is the shape and year. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are just removing this line and this portion, a little one. So this is the joining. So whenever we see, it comes in a very big size. Okay. So this is the method of connecting year with any letter. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow, just be ready to decipher the things. I will show you some pics and I will send in your group too, so you can understand. But today we are just writing all the letters, so there will not be any confusion left in our minds. Okay. So the next word is Achyutam. Okay. You all should practice with me too. This is a. Then this is cha, and then we are joining ya. Okay. This is ya, and then the ukar matra will join here. Okay. So this is the big one. We are going to make it to similar. Then what we will do? We will smaller the cha. Okay. Then this is ya, and this is ukar matra. Okay. This is achu. Achyutam. Okay. If there is an uswar, then it comes like this. But if we are writing the ma, then it comes like this. And we are going to make the halan, then it's like this. Okay. This is achyutam.
मैम री और य के बीच में फर्क कैसे करें?
ठीक है, देखिए ये जो देवनागरी में हम री इस तरह से बनाते हैं, ठीक है।
हाँ मैम।
लेकिन शारदा में हमारी री ऐसे है, ठीक है। तो
हाँ।
उसमें हम रिकनेक्ट करते हैं, तो शारदा में वो इस तरह से कनेक्ट हो जाती है, ठीक है। जैसे आपका मान लीजिए द्री या प्री, ठीक है। तो अभी मैं देवनागरी में लिख के दिखा रही हूँ। इसी में से बस हाफ पार्ट लिया गया, इतना हमने उड़ा दिया। ओके, बस इतना ही करेंगे। चलो मैं आपको दोनों चीजें करके दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है। ध्यान से देखना। देवनागरी में हम इस तरह से लिखते हैं, तो देवनागरी में इतना पार्ट लेके इस तरह से लगाया, और शारदा में हम इस तरह से लेंगे, ठीक है। अब मैं प्री ही आपको लिख के दिखा रही हूँ। देवनागरी में हमने प ऐसा किया और ये इसमें कनेक्ट किया, ठीक है, सेम टू सेम हो गया। बट शारदा में हमने ऐसे किया और ये इस तरह से जा रहा है, ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, ना कि राइट साइड, ठीक है। क्लियर?
हाँ मैम। हाँ,
और
हाँ।
जहाँ ये आपका प्री हो गया, लेकिन जब प लिखना है, ठीक है, तो वहां पे आप प और यह आपका इतना बड़ा आएगा, ठीक है। ये आपका हो गया प्य। क्लियर अब?
हाँ मैम।
री को देख, जब भी आपको री पहचाना हो, आप सबसे पहले ओरिजिनल री को देख लीजिए, ठीक है। देवनागरी का
मैं-
ये एक तरह से रोटेट वर्जन। हाँ।
मैम
और किसी
क्या
को कोई सवाल?
क्या में जो है आ की मात्रा कैसे लगाएंगे, क्या जो अभी आपने लिखा था
हम्म
उसमें आ की मात्रा कैसे लगाएंगे?
अच्छा, अभी बताओ। क्या? तो कर्व का क्योंकि रूप चेंज होता है, आपको ऐसा भी मिलेगा। और मात्रा जो भी होगी, जब भी आपको ऊपर वाली मात्रा लगानी होगी, वो ऊपर वाले वर्ड में ही, ऊपर वाले लेटर में ही लगेगी। ये आपका क्या हो गया? अब मात्रा लगानी है तो यहाँ पे क्या।
मैं सोचा यही कंफ्यूजन है कि यह में तो नहीं लगेगा।
हाँ नहीं, मात्राएं आपकी हमेशा ऊपर ही लगेगी। ठीक है।
ओके।
हम्म अच्छा, दृष्टद्युम्न, दृष्टद्युम्न नहीं, दृष्ट। ठीक है, जैसे दृष्टि आपको लिखना है, ये आपका द्रि, और इस तरह से, तो दृष्टि, ये आपका हो गया दृष्टि, अगर आपको लिखना होगा तो। दृष्टद्युम्न लिखना है, धृष्टद्युम्न था ना शब्द, तो धृ, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ। यहाँ पर किसी की आवाज आ रही है। दृष्टद्युम्न, द, देन यू, एंड उकार मात्रा। दृष्ट हाँ, अब देखो यहाँ पर इसमें हमने 3 किया। अब ये आपका हो गया दृष्टद्युम्न। अब इसमें देखो, अगर 2 हैं तो फिर म का इतना हो गया, लेकिन जहां पर हमें 2 अक्षर और मात्रा जोड़नी है तो हमने उन अक्षरों को छोटा कर दिया। सो ये आपका बन गया धृष्टद्युम्न। ठीक है। अब हम जाते हैं स्वात्यंत्र। और किसी के अक्षर, जिसको किसी अक्षर को लिखने में प्रॉब्लम हुई हो। स, स में हमने कनेक्ट किया व, आ की मात्रा लगेगी ऊपर, स्वा, फिर ये आ की मात्रा, देन दिस इज अवर त, स्वा, तंत्र। अब देखिए इसमें ये न, ये हमारा त्र, और ये य, स्वातंत्र्य। अब इसमें देखिए पहले न है, इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर फाइंडिंग न, ओके, देन इट इज त, then it is ra, then it is ya. So we can clearly see the 4 letters here. Swatantrya. Tra, half tra is already 1 letter, but there are 2 conjunctions, the ta and ra. Okay, so we can look carefully here. Na, ta, ra, and ya. So this is Swatantrya.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम तो के साथ तो और त उ कैसे उसके बीच में कैसे फर्क करें?
okay. आप कह रहे हैं ये- आप ये कह रहे हो ना?
मैम तो और एक है तो उ मैंने तू मीन्स।
अच्छा, आपको ये दोनों पूछ रहे हो आप?
हाँ हाँ
Okay, so first of all we are looking, okay, this is the, okay, then this is double the, the upper one is half one, and lower we are joining the with the. Clear? Is it
हाँ
clear?
मैम।
Okay, then we are joining the ukar matra, then it will be like this. Okay.
ओके मैम।
So this is the, and as you are saying, this is double the. Okay, so it can be confusing. We will be confused. It in manuscripts we find like this. Okay, sometimes it's like this, but when we we use the ukar with ta. So sometimes the matra goes like this. Okay, sometimes, not every time. So the writers use this style. So sometimes this ukar matra goes like this. And mostly we find this type of ta. Okay. So this is double ta. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt? Any other query? Paryushan. Okay. I hope you all are noting all these words here. So this is pa. Then I told you the ra and ya. It changes the shape. Then this comes like this. This is ra ya. Okay. And this is for you. Shan. This is your Paryushan. So ra and ya, this combination changes its shape. Okay. Paryushan and Drishtadyumna फिर से. Okay. So look at carefully. This is the. Then we are adding the matra of re. This is the. Dri. Okay. We are joining the matra here or last. Just a second. Sometimes I also become confused. So we join the matra with the here, but sometimes we find like this also. Okay. So this is dri. Then the sha, ta, drishta, then the, you, the, and this is ya and you, ukara matra. Then this is ma and na, drishtadyumna. Okay, Agastya. So first of all, we have to understand, we can't deny any possibility here. We can find letters with other in other forms too. So every time we have to keep our mind open and we have to be ready for any possibility. Okay. So as I told you, the script is always in the developing phase. So in cursive, we writing B like this. Okay, this is the correct form. But some students like this, some like this. So we changes the styles, but the form is same. Okay, so this thing should be in our mind anytime. There is no printed form, so we can't say, okay, we have learned this word like in this form, but here it comes in the another way. Okay. So Agastya. This is a. Then this is g. G. This is sa. This is angular. Then we are joining the ta here. This is ta and this is ya. This is Agastya. It should be like this. This is Agastya. Okay, moving forward to the next page.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in Agastya, why we haven't tried the मतलब त पहले क्यों नहीं लिखा हमने, वो स में क्यों जोड़ा है हमने?
Because sir is half, na there. See, I'm making it again. This is a, okay, clear? The g. It is clear? Now, see, this is sa, ta, and ya. So which one is the full? Which letter is the complete letter? Ya?
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So in Devanagari, we count this one letter. Okay. It should be in only one box, but it is taking this much space. Okay. This is taking this much space in the line, and it is going to the right side. Clear? But in Sharda, we have only one block to write one letter. So the counting of this one is one, not the two half and one full. Okay. Now we have only one block. So first of all, we are writing the sa. Okay. Clear? Then the ta comes here. So this is ta, and then the ya. This is the in the ya always becomes this bigger one, the another letters. So you can see the sa. It is very clear till this, then ta, then ya. Okay, Maithili, is it clear? Okay. So now I hope everybody wrote their name in their notebooks. Anybody had yagya? Okay. So this is our this is ya. As I told you, what we do, we make ja, and then this shape is gya. This is gya. Devanagari is gya. In diacritics, we make it like this. This is yagya. Shreshtatam. Huh. This one is very nice, and the new one. Yagya is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we are moving forward to the Shreshtatama. So this is our Sha. Okay. This one is filled. And upper line will come or not here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the Ra. We are connecting Ra. And this is Ekara Matra. Shre. Okay. This is like this. Then Sha and this is Sha and this one. Shrestha. Okay. Tha changes in this one. Then this is our Ta. And this is Shresthatama. Clear? So this is Aishwarya. Okay. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हो रही है, ये बताइए. अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो वहां पर हम दोबारा बना सकते हैं. This is our A, I, then this is I, then Sure. I have to make it little small. Aish, Wa. There will be upper line because it is the Talavya Sha. Aishwarya. This is Aishwarya. Okay. Always Riya, this shape comes like this. Okay. I hope you noted it. यज्ञ एक बार फिर से. Okay. Hmm. This is year and this is gear. Yagya. Clear? Now just tell me, is it simple or not? It is not difficult. Okay. Now you can understand. This is which letter it is this? Ma. And which matra is used with this one? Re.
Re.
Then this is the and we are connecting va and then ikar matra here. This is mritvi. Always the matras come with the upper letter. Okay, it will join the shirorekha in the matra of e, that a. Okay, ekar matra will be there. If it is dve, then also the ekar matra will be there. So this is our mridvi. Now you will get your homework and you can, I hope everybody understood all the conjunctions and you can take the help of that file because each letter is mentioned there. So it will be so useful to you. And I will send you some pics also in your group so you can understand which letters are these ones. Okay. Now I am going to show you one pic. So you can see and can read. Okay, we will take this page. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now try to see how beautiful is this. Isn't it so soothing to our eyes? So you will find these manuscripts. This is written by someone and through the brush. And you can see the painting, the illustration around this letter, this page, right? So the first line, first letter, what is this? Try to find it.
Ma'am, Om.
Om.
Om. Om. Then
Shri.
Shri.
Shri. Again.
Ga.
Okay. Okay.
La.
Now what? See, I will tell only one person. He or she will read. I will give to the chance to everyone. Okay. So there should not be so much noise. So first of all, Atharva. Atharva,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself and try to read the first line.
First letter is Om, then is Shri, G,
Om.
L, Sha, V, N, M, and matlab Mah.
See, read it again. This is Om, right?
Om,
Then
Shri,
Shri. Okay, there is
Ga.
Sha and Ra is connected there. Then Ga.
L,
See, again, just look at carefully. Is there any matra?
अच्छा ले.
Which letter is this?
ल के ऊपर एक ही मात्रा है.
Look at in your notebook. क्या ल ऐसा बनाया हमने? This is na. Okay, if we are making it through
Okay.
brush and we write it in the small, then the shape comes like this. Okay, this is na and ekar matra is there. Om Shri Gane आगे
गणेश शाह.
Shah, and this is ya, not va.
Okay, ma'am.
Ganeshaya Namaha.
Namah.
Okay, good. Now, Anindita Ghosh, I request you to unmute yourself and try to read next of this.
मैम ओम
Om.
हम्म,
This
उसके
is na, and then
न
again
न
letter
म म
mat. Is there any matra?
मैं ओ म ओ.
Yes, this is Om Namo. Hmm.
उसके बाद रू मैम.
Okay. Now we have to understand here. This is bha. This is the because this line is touched to the stroke. Okay. In bha, I told you it will be very close, but here is the space is so less. Okay, and this is the style of the writer. He is writing bha like this. Now we have to find the similarities. Okay, this is bha. Om Namo Bha. Again,
मैम
आगे
गौ
ga.
एंड उसके बाद बॉ.
Va. Then which letter
ते
is this?
ते तोय तोय.
Ta with ekar matra. Om
हाँ
Namo Bhagavate. Clear?
हाँ
हाँ.
मैम.
Good. Very good. Now I request to Jayashri ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Please unmute yourself and try to read this one.
Next letter is Va.
Va.
Su.
How it is
Vasu.
Su? Is it Su? Which letter you can find? Ukara matra is like this? Did I?
Ma'am.
क्या मैंने आपको उकार की मात्रा ऐसी बताई है?
ना मैम, बट वा के बाद वाशु ही हो सकता है.
ओके, पहले हमें इस चीज को समझना है हो क्या सकता है, क्या होना चाहिए. वी आर नॉट गोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेप. दिस इज कॉल्ड एडिटिंग. ओके, इन मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स वी एडिट, बट इट इज द सेकंड स्टेप. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज डिसाइफरिंग. तो जो हमें दिख रहा है हम उसको वैसा का वैसा ही पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. ये कोई लेटर लग रहा है आपको? Is it look like some letter? If we are
नहीं समझ आ
connecting,
रहा है.
if we are this looks like the ba and va,
Yeah, ba.
right?
Yeah.
So it looks more like the ba. It can be Vasudevaya, but this is not written here. So what we are looking here, what we are watching, we have to decipher like this only. Okay. So there is the letter sa and there is some shape with this one. Then we can read it that va, sa, ba or va, vasva. Then then the letter is
De.
the with ekar matra de.
Yeah. De.
Va.
Then va. Then ya.
Yeah. So this is Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So why do we learn this like this? Because they were the scriber only. They don't know what is the correct form or not. Okay. So we found one mistake in this content. In the second letter, we found one mistake. It should be Vasudevaya, but it is written like Vasudevaya. Okay. So now we are just finding the letters. Who wants to decipher next? Haruki ji? Haruki Suzy? I request you to unmute yourself and please decipher the next line. Because I'm attending the class. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Anybody else? Bhavin ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Bhavinji, look here and please try to decipher the second line.
Yes. Om.
Om. Then
Oh.
huh. So how do we find it not sir? Because of the lower stroke and
Yes.
the starting one extra line also. This is then
Then Myo. Kadachit.
ma, there will be round in ma. Is it round? See, see the on the upper line, just इसके ऊपर जो है पहली लाइन में वो म है, उसमें गोल है.
हाँ.
But
Chia.
there is
Chia.
yes, this is not ma because this is angular, not round. And what is connected with this one? Which letter is connected to this one? Ya. This is ya. How do we connect ya with sa? With each letter, it looks like this. This is not re. This is ya. Om.
Ya.
Asya.
Asya.
Then
Shri.
this is Shri as we saw in the first line. Then
Yes. Bha.
yes, this is bha. As we can look in the second line, first letter. This is bha. Right. Aage
Ga.
bhaga.
Va.
Va.
Da और
The and
ga.
yes, this is the and ga. So we can
और दीर्घ ई
see it very clear. There is the ikar matra. The lower, the upper one is the and the lower one is
ga.
now. We can be confused in this letter. So I told you one method. Just try to hide with your hand or fingers letter. Always do this thing. Whenever you will be confused, just hide one letter or two letters, whichever you find, so you can understand the one. If you can get one, then you can easily find the another one. So the upper one is the and lower one is ga,
Ga.
and there is ikar matra.
Ikar.
So om asya Shri Bhagavad
Shri Bhagavad Gita.
Then Bhagavad Gita. Good. Then
Mala.
Mala. This is ma and this is la. Okay. Atharva, look at here. This is la and that was na. Mala.
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद कदाचित मंत्रस्य थोड़ा
भागना नहीं है, एक एक अक्षर एक साथ पढ़ना है, नहीं तो फिर सब कंफ्यूज
Okay.
हो जाएंगे. म
फिर उसमें थोड़ा
ना.
क्या बोलते हैं
अब it's because this is yellow, this is not clear, this is blurry.
Yes.
I can understand. It can be, but this is not clear. So it looks like ra. If we see this, but there is na tra. Okay, I'm telling this here. Mala, mantra, and then sya, because this is not clear. So what is this? Om
Shri Bhagavad Gita Mala Mantrasya.
Good, very good. Now I request to Apu Naskar ji, please decipher the next line.
Sri
Shri.
Ta.
Which one?
No, it is ma'am ma.
No, the first letter of the second line.
Bha, ma'am.
Yes, this is bha. Now,
Sri.
as we saw, this is the style of the scriber. So we are looking at one letter and we are deciphering the next letters according to that only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because the bha comes in each line. See, in the second line, then the third line, second letter, and here also the second letter. This is bha.
Yes, ma'am. Sri. Ga.
Bha.
Bha. Next ga. Next ba.
Ba. Bhagava.
Next bai.
No. You can see the upper line. Is there any upper line?
Bha. Ga. Ba. Next is
There are 2 letters for your hint, and try to hide one. And
na and ba
yes, and what is
and
the
a.
matra? Yes, so what it is? Bhagwan
Ve.
Ve.
Banwe.
Next.
Next is it is ma'am dha.
The Bhagwan Veda.
Dha. Next is
There are 2 letters.
yes ma'am.
Which one is the lower one?
Lower one is a ya
Good. And the upper one?
and upper one is
Va. Okay. This is-
ba.
And what is the matra?
A.
So what is this? Bhagwan Veda Vya
Bya. Next is sa.
Sa. Then which letter is this?
Re ma'am.
Good. Re.
Re. That is the Mardhanna. Sha.
So what is this line? Shri Bhagwan Veda Vyasa Rishihi. Good. Very good.
Rishihi. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request Naveen ji. Please unmute yourself and decipher the next line.
मैम इधर बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं. Just try to decipher it. Okay, who wants to decipher? Just raise your hand or text in the chat box. I will ask her or him. Gargi ji? Niladri Das ji? Okay, so now I'm going to decipher this one, and you all have to understand, okay, what is this written? I will send this pic and the other pics in your WhatsApp group. So now, Anush, this is no, shtu. This is sa, and here we can, because this is the new one, and here the ta is written like this. So this is very new manuscript which we found. So it is like we find some different letters also here, but almost when we find like this type of shape with sha. So this is Anushtup Chandah. The pa and cha are connected with each other. Anushtup Chandah. Then Shri Kri. This is Kri and Shnaha. Sha and na are connected. Shri Krishnaha. Pa Ra Ma Paramatma. This is ta and ma are connected here. Paramatma Devata. Paramatma Devata. Then a shao, a sho, cha. Cha and ya are connected, as you can see. A sho, cha, na, and then here na and va are connected, as we saw in the last lines. Bhagwan Veda Vyas, the mention was there. So a sho, cha, nanva, sho, cha. See the sha and cha. Look carefully. What is the difference? The line of sha is going the lower side, but in the cha it goes to the upper side. So ashochar, nanva shochastvam. Here the sa and then the ta and va are connected to each other. Okay? Ashochan nanva shochastvam. This is pra, pa and ra. Pra, pragya. This is gya and akar matra is here. Pragya vadam. And there is sha and cha. Pragya vadanshcha. What is this? This is ma. Ma shase. Okay, here it should be bhashase, but So we can say that Devanagari was when it was this manuscript was written, Devanagari was in its fully development stage. So here we can give this conclusion that Devanagari was developed and it is it has effect on this script. So we can say this is the newer one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then. So we have to keep all things in our mind when we are deciphering the manuscript or editing. So pragya vadanscha mashase iti iti b. This is b. Then iti bijam. And look at here how they are writing the j. Okay. We learned the j like in different, but they are mentioning j like this. Then the sa, and this is ra and va, which are connected to each other. Wherever you are mentioning ra, there a single line comes like this. Sarva, then dharma. Here you can see ra is mentioned clearly because ma don't have upper line and we are connecting it from its the last point, the edge of the ra. But in va it has upper line, so it comes on the left side. But the ma is going to the right side when we are joining with ra. Okay. So sarva, dharma. Then look at here na and then pa, because pa don't have upper line, so it is going to the this right direction. Sarva dharman pari. Then this is ta and ya. Paritya ja and ya. Parityajya mame. So this is the part of Bhagavad Gita. It is the starting page and we can understand. So I am going to decipher it again within very fast so you can understand. The first line, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasva Devaya. Om Asya Shri Bhagavad Gita Mala Mantrasya. Shri Bhagavan Veda Vyasa Rishihi Anushtup Chandah. Shri Krishna Paramatma Devata Ashochan Nanvashochyastvam Pragyavadanscha Mashase Iti Bijam Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mame. So this is written in this page. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Now we understood how the words and the letters are written in the Sharda script manuscripts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do, first of all, you have to copy that list. Then you have to write whatever you want to transliterate in Sharda script. Okay, you have to transcript, and then I will send some pics you have to decipher in Devanagari. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So anybody has any query? Somebody want to ask something?
यस
Okay.
मैम।
Yes, Bhavin ji.
एक प्रश्न था कि हमने वर्ण तो सभी सीख लिए, तो शारदा लिपि में अंकों की कोई परिकल्पना है या नहीं?
हाँ, अंक हैं, लेकिन वो यहाँ पर उनका प्रयोग बहुत कम है। अंक मैं आपको कल बताती हूँ।
धन्यवाद।
और किसी का प्रश्न?
मैम, हेलो मैम।
हाँ,
एक विषय, ये जो मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट हम देखे, ये क्या कश्मीर से प्राप्त हुआ है?
हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट जो हमें शारदा में लिखा हुआ मिलता है वो सब उसी रीजन से मिलता है, लेकिन शारदा लिपि फैली हुई बहुत थी। देखिए आज के टाइम पे कश्मीर एक लिमिटेड रीजन बन गया है, ठीक है।
यस मैम।
जिसको हम जैसे आपने देखा कुछ साल पहले लद्दाख उससे अलग कर दिया गया, लेकिन जब हम पहले की बात करते हैं तो कश्मीर में ये सारा आता था अफगानिस्तान तक का। जो
यस
गांधार
मैम, यस
प्रदेश
मैम।
है वहां तक शारदा लिपि फैली हुई थी, और इवन हमें हिमाचल और यहाँ भी मिलते हैं। लेकिन यही है कि या तो उस प्रदेश से या उसके आसपास के प्रदेश से, दिल्ली तक भी शारदा में लिखे हुए आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिलते हैं।
बिकॉज मैम मैं सोचा कि यहाँ पे जो कैलियोग्राफी है, जो स्टाइल है, वो अफगानिस्तान साइड एंड उस टाइम पे गांधार के स्टाइल के मिल रहे हैं, तो मैं सोचा कि वहाँ के होगा, इसलिए।
हाँ, इट कैन बी पॉसिबल। आई जस्ट टुक दिस फोटो फ्रॉम द गूगल एज यू सी।
यस
ठीक है।
मैम,
हाँ,
थैंक यू मैम।
तो मिलता कहाँ से है, बट ऑलमोस्ट जो हमें डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिलते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने आपको फर्स्ट क्लास में ही बताया था कि कश्मीर वाज द रीजन, इट वाज द एजुकेशन हब। ओके, इट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एजुकेशन हब ऑफ द इंडिया, it used to be. So we found many documents for only from there.
यस मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. Any other query?
मैम शारदा से ही जो है गुरुमुखी और कश्मीरी लिपि निकली है।
जी, गुरुमुखी तुरंत शारदा से निकली है।
और कश्मीरी भी लिपि है ना मैम?
कश्मीरी लिपि कौन सी हुई?
इसी शारदा को ही कश्मीरी कहते
आ देखिए, ये तो वैसे शारदा, अब उसको हम किसी भी तरह से जान सकते हैं कि कश्मीर में प्रचलित थी, तो बट ये कह सकते हैं इसको भी कश्मीरी लिपि। बट कश्मीर, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया ना, आज हमने इसे बाउंड कर दिया। जम्मू को हम कश्मीर से अलग जानते हैं, ठीक है, लेह लद्दाख
हैं।
उसका हो
जी
गया, लेकिन पहले ये पूरा एक ही प्रदेश नाम से जाना जाता था, कश्मीर के अंडर ही सब कुछ।
ओके
ठीक
मैम,
है।
थैंक यू।
ओके,
ओके
सो क्लास एंड कर सकते हैं अब हम।
मैम, ये जो मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट है इसका डिजिटलाइज फॉर्म कहाँ मिला है, जैसे आपने जो अभी जो बताया ना?
गूगल, और मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दूंगी ये वाली फोटो।
गूगल का एक्चुअली मिल नहीं रहा मैम, इसीलिए।
आप डालिए शारदा मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट।
ना बट वो
कोई
बहुत
बात नहीं, मैं आपको अभी ग्रुप में भेज
वो
दूंगी थोड़ी देर
वो
में।
आते हैं मैम, बट वो इतने छोटे हैं कि उनको रीड आउट करना, मतलब
कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको भेज दूंगी, अभी भेज दूंगी।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
और मैं बाकी और भी फोटोज आपको भेजने वाली हूँ, आपको डिसाइफर करना है उसे।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
हम्म। और किसी का कोई प्रश्न? चलिए, तो फिर हम क्लास एंड करें।
ओके, थैंक यू मैम, गुड नाइट।
ओके, शुभ
Thank you
रात्रि।
so much,
Thank you,
Dr.
ma'am.
Swasti.
थैंक यू मैम।
इट्स माय प्लेजर।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
चलिए, आप लोग सब सीख रहे हैं, ये मेरे लिए बहुत संतुष्टि की बात है। Dr. Simajit, your voice is not coming.
See you tomorrow. I'm saying, shall I end the meeting, Dr. Swasti,
Yes, yes.
with your permission?
Oh, why not?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you, everyone. Good night. Have a great day.
good
Good
night,
night.
Shubh Ratri.